These are the ingredients I use for my egusi soup. In my pot, I fry my red oil and onions. This is my protein I'm going to be using. This is my melon mixed with salt and water, 2 cups of melon, and that's my salt. And this is my ugu leaf and my rodo. So I'm just going to let this fry for a bit, then add your egusi. So most people use their hand, you can use spoon, whichever is best suitable for you. And I'm just going to do this until everything in the bowl is emptied into the pot, and I'm going to leave it to fry for a bit. So I like doing the frying method. This is just my preference. I love it so much. It makes my egusi come out really well. So you're just going to mesh everything and ensure that it's smooth, and you mesh it until it looks like this and leave it to fry as if you're frying egg. So yes, this is it. It's going to fry as if you're frying egg, like as if it's burning. Then you add your rodo to give it that hot and spicy taste. Then we mix together to ensure that the pepper goes round and everything is mixed well. Then I add all my seasoning. So you can see here that I am using like two aromats bottle, but is a different spice that is inside this bottle. So aromats, Benny, Mavina, curry, okay, not curry, just different kind of spices. Whatever you have, like I said in the egusi ingredient at the beginning, whatever spice you have, you can use this. So these are all the spices I had at home, and these are what I used. So now I'm going to go in with my egusi water. So I don't have my protein hadn't boiled as at this time, so you can use either your broth, like that's like your chicken water, whatever water, but me, I used egusi water. So I just mainly rinsed the bowl. So that's what I'm calling it, egusi water. So you can use water, you can use broth, whichever you have, and you're just going to leave this for a boil. Let it come to a boil for like 3 minutes. Then after this is done, I added my protein. So most people add their protein after like putting the pepper. So they just put their protein after the pepper and stir and add water. So whichever way you like it, but this is how I do mine. So yes, I'm just going to stir this and leave it for a while. After it had simmered for a bit, I went in with my fresh washed ugu leaf. So you're just going to, you can use spinach for those that don't know what ugu is. As I put it in my ingredients list, you can use spinach. So I'm just going to let this simmer for a bit. And after it is simmered, I added my dried fish. So this is also part of like the spices. I forgot to add it when I was adding the rest of the spice. So yes, so far as it was still boiling, I could still add it inside. So now I'm just going to stir everything and let everything come out nice and delicious. So guys, my egusi soup is done.